What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. If you ever wanted to build a huge following on Instagram, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. Because in today's video I will give you 5 advices that helped me to grow over 220,000 followers on Instagram. Besides that, I also use those advices to build different theme pages with over 400,000 followers. Some of those advices that I'm going to tell you are some diamond secrets, and some you might already know, but they are still very important. Also, if you want a more detailed plan and growth strategies on how you can build your following on Instagram, definitely make sure to check the link in the description of this video. Because I published a whole ebook about the topic on how you can grow step by step to 100,000 followers on Instagram. In this ebook you will actually find a lot of growth strategies that no one taught you about. So if you're serious about building followers on Instagram and even become an influencer, definitely make sure to check the link in the description below. Alright, before I talk too much, let's hop directly into the video and start with the first advice that you can use in order to grow followers on Instagram, which is simply always using its latest features. Instagram always promotes content that is created through its latest features. Like for example, Instagram published the Reel function just a few months ago and literally pushed every content piece that was created with it. And as it is still pretty new, you can still profit from it as the reach is way higher than on your regular posts. Especially if you have a small account with under 10,000 followers, you should definitely focus on publishing Reels. It is a great way to get discovered through the Reels tab and get extra exposure as well. Alright, let's continue with the second advice: do your market research. You don't need to reinvent the wheel in order to become successful on Instagram. You just need to analyze what is working in your specific niche. Like for example, you're in the fashion niche and you see that a specific piece of content goes viral on a similar profile like yours, then all you need to do is simply creating a similar piece of content. Especially in the beginning, it is a great way to go viral and gain a lot of followers. Look for content that is working in your niche, try to imitate it and add your personal touch to it. This works in 90% of the cases. So before you start posting content, do your market research first and make a list of content that could go viral. Let's continue with number 3, work with your insights. When you have a business profile on Instagram, Instagram literally shows you when the best posting time is. All you need to do is use this information and post about 50 minutes before your best time. This will definitely help you to increase the reach and interactions on your post, and therefore you will reach more people and gain more followers as well. Let's continue with number 4, steal followers from your competitors. Stealing followers is a very effective growth strategy where you simply check the comments of your competitors and then be active on those profiles who commented below his or her post. For example, another fashion blogger is posting a new picture and 100 people are commenting below. Then all you need to do is check out the people who commented and then simply like and comment on their pictures as well. The chances are actually very high that those people will check your content and maybe even follow you. But it can only work if you do it on a profile that has similarities to yours. So the content and look should be equal to ensure a better conversion. And also make sure that you don't comment the same sentence under every post. Be creative and write something that matches to the post. And last but not least, always review your content and focus on what works best. Especially in the beginning, you need to test out different pieces of content to see what works best. So if you post something, always check the insights at least 1 or 2 days later and compare it with other recent posts of yours. If something performed way better than your other content, you should definitely focus on that. Your audience is literally telling you what they want to see more. So all you need to do is setting the focus right. This is definitely one of the most effective methods. Simply testing out different types of content, reviewing it and focusing on what works best. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are my 5 advices that you can use in order to grow the fastest way possible on Instagram. Make sure to check out the ebook which is linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.